Hi, my name is Antoine Housden. I head up Buttercott's financial services tax practice. I've been working in financial services tax for almost 16 years, having had the privilege of working in Switzerland for 4 of those years and with the remainder in London. My role at Buttercott is to help financial services clients navigate the complex world of tax throughout their business lifecycle and hopefully in an entrepreneurial manner. I remember considerably more hair and fewer greys in my early years. And when I started my career back in 2004, I remember 2 volumes of Tolley's Handbook containing the entirety of the UK's primary direct tax legislation. Of course, we're now up to multiple tomes and everything is accessible online. The world of tax and other professions supporting the financial services sector has certainly been digitally transformed over that period. Last year, there was an open consultation on the UK's hybrid and other mismatch provisions. It was great to see the team's effort being represented in AIM's consolidated response to HMRC, and off the back of that, to also see the government take note of our comments and recommendations. In a post-COVID debt-laden UK, there's clearly going to be some pressure to increase taxes and potentially introduce new ones too. But I think the government is going to want to prevent any increases too soon to avoid strangling individuals and businesses getting back on their feet. I would also add that we've just left the EU, so I strongly hope that this Conservative government will want to temper too many tax increases to ensure the UK remains fiscally competitive. My top predictions: the top rates income tax band could be increased back to 50%. Capital gains tax could increase to 28% to align with existing special rates of capital gains tax. Perhaps there's certainly been a lot of talk around rate increases for capital gains tax, but I can't see it aligning to income tax rates. Could the remainder of the old entrepreneurs relief, for instance, be eroded further? One potentially new tax that could come into play is a new, hopefully temporary property tax to be introduced, and perhaps over a certain threshold, and let's say maybe something in the region of £750,000. Definitely the Ozarks, closely followed by Stranger Things and Cobra Kai. You probably tell I'm a child of the 80s.